We have subjected all the officers once again. And to our surprise, we have got a big number, almost to 2,000 officers who are unfit to do the police work. I have now started processing this process. To remove somebody when you have given him a job is not easy. The government has its own procedures. If they have managed to sneak from my recruitment level, I follow them again when they are working and subject them their mental health test. And interestingly, some of them who claim to be sick, out of that number, I was able to recover about 690. Tunawaita maringaras. It's a difficult job. There are those who want to look like they are sick so that they don't do the job. There are those who are really sick and they are working. Another difference, the difference because of our tool of work is a gun. With the other members of public, our tool of work is a gun. And when one bullet is discharged, the implication is more serious. Unlike when you are also discharging your job, you are armless. So we have taken this very serious.